Hi, I've been sent work on Flipgrid. Could you help me please?
So the question is about submitting assignments on Flipgrid, but we better start with what is Flipgrid? Flipgrid is a website that allows you to safely record audio or video responses to a task set by your teacher. But let's dive in. I've gone into a French class here as a pupil and found this assignment where we are asked to learn French vocabulary about breakfast using reference material to help. One of many options to show what I've learned is to record a video in Flipgrid, so let's give that one a go. Now, what happens next depends on the device you are using. On a Mac, PC or Chromebook, we should go straight to the Flipgrid webpage known as a grid through a browser like Internet Explorer. But if you're on an iPad, iPhone or Android device, it will ask you to download the Flipgrid app and give access through that. To ensure it's secure, you'll need to log in with Microsoft using your hub email and password. And now we're in. A lovely banner here designed by the French department, but much more important is what is underneath the banner, the topic. This may be some text or a picture, or like this one, a video which describes what you need to do. In this example, you use the video to learn the essential vocabulary. Once you're ready to record, at the bottom of the page is a green plus button with the word moderated underneath. All this means is that only the teacher will initially see your video. If there are some really nice examples your teacher would like to share, they will ask your permission and then share them in the grid for your classmates to see. So, I'm ready to go and click the big plus. I'm now asked if Flipgrid can use my microphone and camera, which I'll have to allow. So what happens next can be split into 4 parts. First, a chance to record our video. In this option you can flip the camera, pause while recording, and use some of the cool tools at the bottom to add emojis, text, filters, blank screens, or photographs during your video. We may actually do a separate video on these features if you think that will be useful to you. Once you're finished, you can review your video and gain some confidence like I would by doing lots and lots of retakes. Now the video is finished, it's time to take a selfie to act as your front page. Again, you can customize that how you want. And finally, enter your information, a name and a title. In the grids I've used in the past, pupils will often say here if they are happy for a video they have made to be shared with classmates or would rather it isn't. And that is that. I've submitted my video and it's waiting for approval by the teacher.
Yeah, that really helped. Thank you.